What's the meaning of clangour? Clangour. Clangour.
Clangour. Clangour. Clangour refers to a loud, harsh and often metallic noise or sound. It is typically associated with the clanging of metal objects or machinery. The term connotes a sense of discordance or disturbance, often accompanied by a sense of urgency or danger. Clangour can be produced by a wide variety of sources, including industrial processes, construction sites, transportation infrastructure, and musical instruments. Its impact can be both physical and psychological, causing discomfort, annoyance, and even pain in some cases. Overall, clangour is indicative of an environment that is noisy, chaotic, and stressful.